We are here to find out how fast our new project Peugeot is down the strip. Not only that, we have a drag racer.
Yes, we have. Yeah.
We have a drag racer versus a non-drag racer, but we are going to race each other in 110 horsepowers, 1.8 Peugeot 406.
Is it going to matter if I'm a drag racer and he's not? Probably not. Have you seen the car? Because
the car's
it's
not
right
great.
there.
But the whole point is we want to test the car now and then test the car when it's done. So we have come up all the way to the almighty Santa Pod to give it a go down the strip to see what it'll run current numbers.
Yeah.
To give it the best chance, Owen is here to test that car. Otherwise, I would have been here by myself and probably would have got a really bad time. But we are going to find out how fast or how slow this Peugeot actually is.
Very.
Very slow. It'll be the longest seat time he would ever have in a car going up the strip.
Potentially 20 seconds. We don't know. We're going to find out. We're going to go and queue up.
But actually, put your bets on. How quick do you reckon it is over a quarter of a mile?
Ooh,
I'm going 21.
Yeah, it's going to be in the 20s, isn't it? Let's face it.
I thought so.
Yeah.
Let's go and test it. Let's line up. There's a lot of queuing going on today.
Stu's had an idea to make this car faster. All of a sudden.
Take the air filter out.
Yes, and that's going to gain us how much?
Probably not much, apart from bark. How do we do it?
There we go. Oh no, look, you got screws. There's no way you're undoing them, bro.
Oh, what?
Yeah, just like pull it off somehow. Gorilla it.
Right, hang on, let's...
Screwdriver?
Right, hang on.
This lovely bodywork. That's it, go on. Go on, Hoy, hammer Hoy. Yes. Yank it.
Actually, no.
Oh no.
We ain't getting that out. Has anyone got a screwdriver? Where's your geezer?
I don't know who's got a screwdriver. There might be one in the back.
There ain't one in the back.
You sure?
I'm 100% sure about that. Right.
Not even like a...
Yeah, none of you got a screwdriver, have you? Phillips. Forrest, we may be good.
Right.
We may be good.
Oh look, he's got a fucking screwdriver. Potentially.
Oh, look at it.
Straight on the carbon fibre there.
Carbon fibre.
He was tapping his vape on the side of the car as well. I was going, what?
We're just adding horsepower here.
Look at that.
There you go.
Right, let's get this fucking
This is another
thing
50. I wouldn't even touch them, mate. Now, there's no way that's going on. All right, okay.
Yeah, shut up, Tom.
Look at that. 3 horsepower.
Try and get
this
some
is.
race fuel.
Do you want some stickers?
Yeah,
make it go.
Put loads of stickers.
Have I got to stand here the whole time? It's going to take you to undo 4 screws?
Well, you're not even filming it properly.
And
are
you
you?
got to set up the back end for you.
Yeah. It's got a 4 link in it. Fucking, this is so pikey. Yank it.
Yeah, but this is what we used to do when we were kids, Forrest.
There you go. Sling the rest of it.
What, this?
Yeah, fuck that off.
Get rid of that. It's all about gains, mate. Let's see what it sounds
Rev
like.
it up. Come on. Let's hear the horsepower. Yes. That's another 10 horsepower there.
Gotta be.
Easy.
Gotta be 10.
It'd make a good Hoover.
Yeah.
That's about all it's got.
A Hoover for whatever shit is anywhere to fuck it up even more. Well, would you believe it? We are finally here in the Peugeot after a long wait because Santa Pod has sadly gone down to 1 lane because of the rain. It absolutely destroyed one of the timing equipment, so it's only running 1 lane today. But Peugeot time. Owen's on the line. I'm going to prove I'm a drag racer, or a better drag racer than him if we get the chance to go again. Obviously, we've been waiting for ages. But what do you think? Put your comments below what you reckon this will do. I'm going 20s. Oh shit, we've been pulled up. I haven't been on a drag strip like this, like Santa Pod, for many, many years. Probably 2002.
The mighty 406. What a fucking heap.
Sorry about the power. I won't get 110, so we're safe.
You don't see that anymore. But 90% of them got scrapped in the old scrap machine. I watched a video last year about all the cars from like 90s that had just disappeared because they all got scrapped in.
go. Oh, the power of it is unbelievable.
It's still going. Oh, I've actually got time to turn and talk to camera, and he's still not at the other end of the track.
I don't know how long you should be able to have a conversation and do that.
An 18.8. Let's go and get his time slip. That was absolutely horrendous. I guess we'll find out. I'll go and get his time ticket, and we can laugh more at him.
You shouldn't have a conversation and do a drag race. I don't understand how, but it done it. It's not overheated. It's still alive. I think that was quick. I reckon we're under the 20s. So if we're under the 20s, I don't think we're going to get half of the power or half the time. But if it's 22, I'd like to at least get like 11. It sort of gripped on the line, bit of a shit start. I'm not a drag racer, so I'm going with it. I didn't rev it all the way out because bear in mind, I've got to drive this home. So now I'm on you daily because we're creating content for you guys. But yeah, it was all right. I'm a bit of focus at the start because she's waving her hands and I've not done that for years. So it was quite cool to do something that I had done when I was a kid in Renault 5 turbos and stuff like that. In probably the last time I was here and actually done a drag race was 2002. So it was a long time ago, but I'm not sure if I'm still a drag racing fan. I'm not, but it was, yeah, it's a straight line. I like my corners and stuff. It just felt a bit too easy. But I also don't think it is too easy. There's all different things to it. It's a different type of sport, but I think the Peugeot held up well. I'd like to know what time it was, and we'll have to let Owen give it a go and see who was faster, me or him.
Right, so first of all, that was hilarious. It actually was, to watch it. Do you want to know the time?
Oh, you got the printout as well?
Yeah, you know it.
You know, this is my first printout since 2002. Ultimate streetcar.
Right, well, here is about to be your crowning victory. One moment, please. Do you think that you got better or worse than a 20-second quarter mile?
It felt quicker.
Right.
It felt quicker.
So, above or below 20?
Below 20.
Okay, yeah. By how much? By more or less than 3 seconds?
Less than 3 seconds.
By less than 3 seconds. Have a guess at what you thought you got.
17, 18 maybe.
Have an accurate guess, because that's only a margin of 3 seconds.
Okay, 18.1.
Okay, you're not far off. 18.8.
Oh.
Yes, at 73 English wholesome miles per hour. As you can see, we're in the far up lane behind all the other really sporty.
What was that? That was a window.
Yes, work.
Hang on, let's have a look.
Fantastic. Look, check it out.
Oh, look, I came first.
Yes, weird that, because it's only one lane working.
I came first.
Yeah.
18.8, 73 mile an hour.
60 foot time's rather interesting. 2.8 seconds to 60 foot.
Is that reaction time? Is
Yeah,
that
that's
good?
reaction time. Nah.
Well, to be
It's all
fair...
right. It's under a second, so it's all right, to be fair. I actually had time, when you're going up the track, to turn round, commentate on it, turn it back round, and you were still going up the track.
So you've got to try and beat this.
Yes, it seems that way.
Can you try and get that wheel spinning this time?
I don't know how we're going to do that, but I'm going to try and beat an 18.8. I'm going to be really embarrassed with myself if I don't, and you just took it out as your first run since
2002.
Oh my goodness!
But
22 years ago.
If you think, right, under a second reaction time.
That's all right. That's all right.
Yeah, but bear in mind that I was like, I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
It was like, oh, that's when I go. So really, the rust is there, but I could get better.
I think, mate, that was a stout
Right.
effort.
Right, enjoy the gear shift.
Yo, is that a 406?
Right, I'll catch you at the line, but...
What am I doing? What am I doing? Stuart, you long bastard.
Them BMWs sound offensive, honestly, ridiculous. Anyway, we have got Owen's turn in the Peugeot 406. He'll be coming round in a minute. Will he beat my unbelievable time of 18.8? Him? racket is unbelievable. So, yeah, I left it running, so I've kept it a little bit, it got a little bit hot, so down to him to sort that out.
Oh, stalled it. Okay, we'll have another go at that. Oh, God. I actually think everything I've brought up to Santa Pod has been the fastest car I've got at the time. So I actually think that this is going to be my slowest run up the strip ever. If it's any faster, it's just got to be faster than 18.8. That's all I give a shit about.
But yeah, so hopefully he won't beat me. But again, I've not done it for 20 odd years. So, 20 years, exactly.
I'm kind of nervous in a way. This is his way of getting home. What if it breaks? Yeah, I'm afraid I can't provide any drama like that, mate.
To be fair, but if you want a surprise, check this one out. Nissan Micra. Jesus, that thing's quick. Yeah, our Micra's not being that one. That is a 11.6 at 116. Very fast car, very fast car. But now, the almighty, yes. Will the drag racer beat the non-drag racer?
This is officially the slowest car I've ever driven up here. Am I, not that it matters, am I there?
You're in it.
An actual burnout. Don't worry, it's not going to go over 70 miles an hour. No, 73. Come on.
The almighty Peugeot.
Come on now. Shall we do it? Come on. Yes. Ooh, yeah! Ah!
Yes, look at the speed of it.
We're moving. I actually had people in the stand. I'm going to have a conversation since I'm actually racing a car.
And still not at the end of the line, still going.
18.8, come on now. Across the line in third.
Oh, he beat me. He got an 18.743 at 74 mile an hour. So yeah, the drag racer beat me.
That's got to be, yeah, about 75 mile an hour. I really hope I won. I so hope I won that. Taxi!
But this is awesome. There's a lot of smoke. So yeah, sadly, he beat me, but it was expected. He knows what he's doing, I don't.
What a fucking heap. I'll tell you what, it don't drive bad actually, to be fair. I've never driven a car so normal up the track. Did a burnout, didn't I? A burnout. It does drive alright. Like, you drive this around. Please tell me I beat that time.
Mr. Forrest.
So?
How was it?
Mate, it's hilarious. I was waving to everyone when I was driving up the track. There's people going, he's waving at us. Like, but, hey, you know, it actually drives all right.
Right.
Not the fastest car.
We'll make it quick. Do you want to know?
Yeah.
So, get mine out.
Build me up, build me up.
Get mine.
Right,
just there, behind me. And then we're going to compare. Top speed, what was it?
Top speed, you were 73.56.
You were 74.65.
Ooh, 1 mile an hour between friends, you know.
What was my quarter mile?
You, well, let's go for reaction time.
Okay.
0.87.
Yeah, 0.42.
Oh, that weren't bad, that's right. 60 foot, 2.83 seconds.
2.5.
Oh, that's all right. Where? Okay, this would be a good one. So where were you at the 8th? This is where you were at the 8th. 12.22 at the 8th mile, halfway.
12.08.
0.2 of a second. Okay, so your final quarter mile time at 73.56 miles an hour was 18.88 miles per hour.
No, what, 8?
18.88. That was your quarter mile.
Seconds.
Yeah.
You said mile per hour.
No, that's your quarter mile in seconds. Sorry, at 73 miles an hour, it was 18.88 seconds.
18.74.
No! that's a tenth of a second between us.
Yeah.
That's hilarious. It's got no bollocks to it.
It's got nothing.
Like, I was like,
so realistically, let me turn the. It's hot.
I know, I'm roasting. Yeah.
So realistically, right?
Yeah.
With another engine in it, it could be an 11-second car.
Yeah.
So we've got to try and shave off 7 seconds.
Yeah. You're not going any faster with what it's got.
Nah.
Currently.
Unless you strap a turbo to it.
Well, I mean, you could.
And detonate it.
I suppose. Yeah, we've done it with the micro a few times. It's effort taking the engines out and all that stuff. But yeah, that's good. That's
not far
yeah,
off,
shows
is it?
you ain't lost it. See,
Yeah,
if that's as good as I can do,
yeah.
Fair play.
Right. Well, let's get back to packing them all away then.
I know. I was going to take the Supra out again, but they've shut the track. So there we go.
Bugger. Right. So you have seen us throw the poor old Peugeot up Santa Pod, but what are we going to do next? Now we've tried that bog standard at 18.7 seconds. Well done, Forrest, for beating me. We are now, or next time, we want to try it around the track bog standard. And then we're going to put the suspension on, brakes on, and do it stage by stage to see how the Peugeot improves. So hopefully next time you will see us either here or at another racetrack putting it through its paces. Anyway, if you did like that, please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell where you can, and we'll see you in the next one.
Loading, track with the lyrics like I'm bowling. Keep pushing on, keep rolling. And then when I listen, but I told him one more time. Your favorite MCs, bronze or silver. These raps here are golden. Cards on the table, there's no folders. Spit bars at the club.